Hello, good morning children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing well. So let us start with our class today. Today I am going to take a new lesson, that is 13th lesson, Animal Shelter. This is from term 3, third term. Okay, take out page number 121. Yes, 121 page. I am going to read, keep fingers. Start. Homes of animals. Animals need shelter to live and survive. A shelter protects them from their enemies. Shelters are needed to raise their young ones. Why do animals live? You all live in homes, right? You all need a shelter to live in. Why? To protect yourself from rain, from sun's heat, and from all the dangers. So just like you all, animals also need shelter to live, so that they can protect their babies and they can have shelter. They can have a roof on their head so that they can protect themselves from the heat and the heavy rains. Okay. Now, they also need shelter. Why do they need shelter? To protect their small babies and also to raise their young ones so that those small babies can grow and become independent. Okay. Now, domestic and pet animals live in man-made shelters. We all know that animals are categorized into different categories. So what are the categories? One is pet animals, another is domestic animals, wild animals. Okay. Like this we are having categories for animals. So domestic animals and pet animals, where do they live? They live in shelters. They live in homes made by man. Okay children? They live in homes made by man. Now, some animals make their own homes. There are some animals who make their own homes. Okay. So let us see for each animal what is their name of their house or home. Okay. So cow. Cow lives in shed. See the pictures? Cow. Cow lives in shed. Horse. Horse lives in stable. Dog. Dog lives in kennel. Hen. Hen lives in coop. Where does a cow live? A cow lives in shed. Where does a horse live? Horse lives in stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. Now, dog. A dog lives in kennel. Now, a hen. Hen lives in, very good, it's coop. C-O-O-P. Coop. Okay children? Where does a cow live? A cow lives in shed. S-H. Sorry children, I'll just rub it off and write it again. Cow lives in a shed. Horse lives in a stable. Dog, kennel. Hen, coop. Now turn the page 122. Where does a pig live? It lives in sty. Okay. S-T-Y, sty. Now parrot. Parrot lives in a cage. Parrot, cage. Okay children? Rabbit. Rabbit lives in a hutch. H-U-T-C-H, hutch. Rabbit lives in a hutch. Okay? H-U-T-C-H, hutch. Now, fish. Fish lives in an aquarium. A-Q-U-A-R-I-U-M. Aquarium. Okay children? So where does a rabbit lives? Rabbit lives in a hutch. And a fish lives in a aquarium. Okay? Once go through it. A cow lives in shed. A horse lives in stable. A dog lives in kennel. A hen lives in coop. A pig lives in sty. S-T-Y, sty. A parrot A fish lives in an aquarium. It's aquarium. A-Q-U-A-R-I-U-M. Aquarium. You can either tell aquarium or it's aquarium, but the apt word is aquarium. Okay? As if the word of A is a. So it's going to be aquarium. So come to page number 122, children. Yeah. The shelters of domestic and pet animals must be cleaned regularly. What do we do at our homes? We sweep our home regularly. Every day we clean our house. We mop it, we do sweeping, everything. We keep our house very neat and clean. Just like ours, animals homes should also be cleaned regularly so that they can live healthily. They should not get any disease. So their houses should also be cleaned regularly. Now, homes of wild animals. Wild animals find their own natural shelters in caves and under trees. What are wild animals? The animals that live in jungle, that is forest. So those animals, they are dangerous to us. So they live in jungle itself, forest itself. So they make their own homes. They live in either caves. Cave is nothing but a stone built house, that is gufa types, okay, which is having a dome shape. It will be like this. This is a cave. Under a mountain it will be, okay children? This is a cave. So lion lives in a den. Tiger, all the wild animals live in either caves or else they live in under the trees, okay? Just like bear. Bear lives under the tree. Now, lion, tiger and bear live in caves in the jungle. Lion, tiger and bear, where do these animals live? They live in caves in the jungle. Jungle is nothing but forest. Monkey lives on trees. Where do monkeys live? They live on trees. Snakes live in holes. Bees make their own hive. Bees live in a hive. They make a small hive. You have seen on the trees, it will be having a dome shape, a round shaped ball will be there. That is nothing but beehive. Inside that, bees live. Okay. Now, snakes live in holes in the ground. Where do snakes live? They live in the ground. Holes will be there. No? In that holes, snakes live. You have seen where do ants live? Ant lives in ant hills. They make with small sand particles. Then build a hill, and in that hill, the ants live. Now, nest of birds. Where do birds stay? Birds live in. Birds make their own houses with the help of twigs from the trees, branches, leaves, whatever they get, they make their own home. They make it a nest. Okay. Now, birds make nest to live in. What do they make? They make nest. They lay eggs in the nest and bring out the young ones till they are capable of flying. What do the birds do now? They fly. So whenever they lay eggs in the nest, they protect those nests. They sit on that egg and they develop their young ones and make them independent also. Now, the nests keep baby birds safe from enemies and is a place for birds to rest. Where do birds rest? They keep flying and flying. So they take rest and they come to their nest and they'll sit in the nest. They take rest and they lay their eggs there. They develop their young ones, and which protects that nest will protect the birds from the enemies and from the danger. Okay. Now, from the enemies. Now, not all bird species build nests. Do you know that all the birds will make their own nest, they'll make own house? No, it's not like that. Some birds will make their own home, own nest, but all the birds, they don't make their own nest. Okay. Some species lay their eggs directly on the ground or rocky ledge. What do some birds do? Some birds, they lay their egg on the ground itself and they'll go. But some birds are there who will lay eggs in the nest. You have seen the nest? Nest will be like this. Here eggs will be there, okay? 2 eggs. It is a nest. It is a place where the animals, they live in jungle. They live in caves or under the bird make their own different kind of nest. Some of them use sticks, dry leaves, straw, threads, cotton, wheel, wire mesh, etc. to build their nest. What did I say earlier? You have seen birds. They make nest with the help of twigs. Some use cotton. Some use leaves. Some use wood. They use different things to make their own nest. Now, come to page number 123, children. Yeah. This is a weaver bird. Weaver bird. This weaver bird's nest is like this. Okay. It makes a beautiful nest by weaving straw, grass and leaves. What do that bird do? What do a weaver bird do? It makes its own nest with the help of straw, grass and leaves. Now, it will be having the open part on the lower side. Okay. On the lower side, the nest's opening part is in the lower part of the nest. So the nest hangs from the branch of a tree. It is hanging to the tree, right? With the help of that branch, the nest is hanging. A tailor bird. This is a tailor bird. A tailor bird, like a tailor, sews two leaves together to make its nest. What do a tailor bird? Tailor bird stitches two leaves together and stays in that leaf. Look here, two leaves are stitched together. So this tailor birds live in this nest. Okay. Now, pigeon. You have seen pigeons? Yes. Pigeons usually make nests on rooftops of old buildings. What do? They make the nest on the top of the buildings. Okay. Old buildings will be there, no? On that buildings, they'll make their nest like this, as if I've shown you here. With the help of, they use twigs also. Twigs. Now, an eagle makes its nest on very high trees. Its nest is called an eyrie. What do an eagle do? Eagle flies very high. So, eagle makes their nest at a very high point. The trees that will be very high. An eagle makes its home, makes its nest on a very high trees, and its name is called as eyrie. Eyrie. This is the nest of eagle. Okay. Now, woodpecker. Woodpecker is its nest in the tree trunk. What do a woodpecker do now? The woodpecker makes its nest in the tree trunk. It is the tree. Okay. It eats this part of the tree, stem of this tree, and lives here. Okay. This is the nest for woodpecker. Now, an owl lives in the hollow of the tree trunk. What do an owl do? Owl also lives in the hollow part of the tree. Just like woodpecker, it will also live in the hollow part. It will make a circle here. It will live here. It will have its living over here. Okay. The birds rest here and have their food, whatever it may be there. They'll come and rest here. They'll raise their young ones. It will protect them from enemies. Now turn to page 124. Zoological Park and National Parks. What is zoological park, children? Zoo. You all went to zoo? Yes, very good. What do you see in a zoo? There will be all the animals in the zoo, right? Lots of animals, different animals are there in the zoological park. Zoological park is nothing but zoo. Now, animals are kept and protected in zoological parks and in national parks. What do human beings do in the zoological park? The animals that are kept in zoological parks are protected. Okay, they save those animals. In a zoo, animals are kept in cages or small open areas. Where are the animals kept? They are kept in cage. What is a cage? Cage is nothing but it will be like this. Okay, a kind of jail type. Here it will be having a covering. Inside this an animal lives. They are protected. Now they serve as an amusement place for public and help to provide education about wildlife to children. What do the zoo help us? They'll come to know. They'll help us to learn about the animals that live in forest and jungles. We are seeing all the animals which zoological park. They protect them, they give them food, they just prohibit the hunting of animals. Okay children? Now by this we have completed our lesson. 13th lesson, animal shelter is completed. Okay? So take a fresh page and write on this and just erase this. Write on the first one. This is the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. Where does a parrot live? A parrot lives in cage. C-A-G-E, cage. Where does a pig live? Pig lives in a sty. S-T-Y, sty. Okay children? This is the seventh one and the eighth one. I hope it is clear to you all. You are able to see the board. Take a fresh page, write the lesson name and start writing. Sharp your pencil with neat handwriting. You are going to write. Write on. First one. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. S-H-E-D. Shed. Where does a cow live? A cow lives in shed. Yeah. Second one. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. A horse lives in stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. Now, third one. Where does a dog live? A dog lives in a kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. H-E-N. Hen. Where does a hen live? Lives in a coop. C-O-O-P. Coop. Fifth one. Parrot. Where does a parrot live? A parrot lives in cage. C-A-G-E. Cage. P-I-G. Pig. A pig lives in a sty. S-T-Y. Sty. Where does a rabbit live? A rabbit lives in a hutch. H-U-T-C-H. Hutch. Where does a fish live? Where does a fish live, children? It lives in the water. That place is called as aquarium. A-Q-U-A-R-I-U-M. Aquarium. Okay, children? I hope you have completed writing it. Completed? Write neatly. So what is your homework going to be? Your homework is you are going to learn this and write one time in your classroom. Okay? One after the other you are going to write. You are going to leave one line. Draw a line in middle and copy it on the other side also. Write a homework. What is your homework? You are going to write this 8 animals and their shelters one time in your classroom. Okay children? And you are going to learn it. Learn it. Learn and write. Okay children? We'll meet tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Have a healthy meal and stay safe. Bye.